Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Focus Assist for meetings in Windows 11, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Focus Assist for meetings in Windows 11, start by clicking on the Start menu. Next, select Settings from the list of options. In the Settings window, click on System in the left sidebar. Now, scroll down and select Focus Assist. You will see a few options for how Focus Assist should behave. To automatically enable Focus Assist during meetings, toggle on the option labeled when I'm in a game or using apps in full screen mode. Next, you can customize the priority notifications by clicking on Customize your priority list. Here, you can choose which notifications you want to see while Focus Assist is on. You can select specific contacts and apps from the list. After customizing, return to the main Focus Assist settings. You may also choose between two automatic settings, during these times and during these hours. To set a schedule, click on During these times and specify the start and end times. Once you have configured all your preferences, close the settings window. Now, Focus Assist will work as intended during your meetings. To manually enable Focus Assist, you can click on the Quick Settings icon in the taskbar. From there, simply click on the Focus Assist option to toggle it on or off. You can now enjoy uninterrupted meetings with the help of Focus Assist. Be sure to adjust any settings as needed for your specific meeting requirements. This will help you stay focused during important calls and discussions. Now you're ready to make the most of your Windows 11 experience during meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.